Hey, what's up guys? So Black Friday is technically still a week away, but it looks like we now already have a bunch of Black Friday deals on different radar detectors, laser jammers, and dash cams. Now, Black Friday this year honestly seems a little bit weird. We're again a week away, but we had some discounted pricing earlier that was not quite as good as the now early Black Friday pricing. And to add to the confusion, I know you guys probably like me are also wondering, like, these prices, are they actually any good? And so before I dive into some of my favorite deals that are available, let me first show you something that I've been working on to help us better understand whether or not these deals are actually any good in the first place. Now, to help keep track of these different sale prices and which discounts are actually good or not, I've started putting together a spreadsheet here where I'm keeping an eye on different radar detectors and laser jammers and dash cams that I'm interested in that do go on sale from time to time, and their different sale pricing throughout different sales. So for example, I've got the different products here. I've got the normal prices here when they're not on sale. Here's the sale pricing from Prime Day back in July, and then Prime Big Deals Day in October, and then this Black Friday sale. I'm also then keeping track of things like the percent off, how much money you're saving, whether or not this is the lowest price that we've seen yet, and the link to where you can go and purchase them. And for some of the items here, I've also got some notes here with like different coupon codes that you might need to use. And down in the description below, I'll link to this full spreadsheet for you so you can take a look at it as well, so that you can also keep up to date with whether or not the different pricing that we're seeing is actually good or not in the first place. Additionally, I'm also going to link you to my full page here on my website, as usual, where I'm keeping track of some of my favorite deals that are some of the best deals. And at the very top here, you'll see my list here of my favorite Black Friday deals with different deals on radar detectors and dash cams, if you just want to jump to some of the very best ones here. Additionally, if you scroll down, we'll kind of start running through here some of the best deals that are available, starting off here first with radar detectors. Now, Uniden typically does not participate with the different Black Friday sales, but it looks like this time around, they're actually offering their detectors here for 5% off, both the new ones and the pre-owned refurbished ones. Now, the deals are only on Uniden's website, not on Amazon, but if you take a look, you'll notice that it's going to be 5% off here for the different radar detectors, and that discount is going to be applied here at checkout. And you get to choose between getting an extra suction cup mount or a USB Type-C power cable. And this deal also applies if you want to get one of their certified pre-owned detectors as well. And on my website, I kind of run through the list here of the different detectors as well as their sale pricing that you can get here with the 5% off. Then scrolling down, if we take a look next at Escort, they've got a number of deals available that are for both Amazon and on Escort's website. We've got the Redline 360C with the M2 dash cam. It's normally $1,000 for the two, but the dash cam is $50 off, so you can get the bundle here for $50 off. And a bunch of their radar detectors here you can get on sale as well. Now, these aren't the best discounts that I've seen here on these detectors. And again, you can go back and reference my spreadsheet here where I've been keeping track of the different pricing here to the best of my ability. Some of them I haven't started logging the pricing yet, but other ones I have been keeping track of. But either way, you can reference that to see like which of these deals are good or not. Then moving on to laser jammers, we've got 3 different jammers that are on sale here. First, we've got the Escort ZR6, which can be run standalone or paired with an Escort windshield mount radar detector. And on Escort's website, you can pick up a set of triples here for $300 off. Then with the adaptive TPX, we've got the normal 10% off available here if you use the coupon code VORTEX. But with the TMGs, they're actually offering the biggest discount that I've seen yet. They're actually doing 20% off here for their jammers. And to take advantage of that, you can use the coupon code TMG 20% off. In fact, you'll see that coupon code listed on the front page of the TMG website. It is a little bit confusing because it's got some exclamation marks here, but you're going to want to not type those in. If you just do this code right here, you'll get the 20% off. Then moving on to dash cams, we'll start here with Viofo, which again tends to be my go-to pick here for dash cams with good feature set and good video quality. We've got the Viofo A119 Mini 2. This one's going to be available here. It's kind of like matching the best price that we normally see, $85 here. And at this price, there's not really any good reason to get like a cheapy potato cam or anything. There's also the new 4K version, which just came out. That one's available for $10 off, but I think the best deal, the sweet spot, is going to be for the 2K version right there. And when you click the links here on the website, it's typically going to take you to a choice page here like this, where you've got different options on where you want to buy. The pricing can actually vary between sites like Amazon and the manufacturer's website. For example, on Amazon, it's listed on sale here for $85. But then if you take a look on Viofo's website, it's listed at $109. However, they are running a Black Friday sale where if you enter the coupon code Black Friday 2025, it's going to save you $10 off any purchase of $100 or more. And so that'll actually drop you down to $100, which is still more expensive than if you buy it directly from Amazon. Now, this kind of stuff will vary though, and so for that reason, I'm going to be linking you to a variety of different places and you can take a look to see what the best prices. Moving on next to some of the multi-channel options, we've got the Viofo A229 Plus 2-channel. This is going to give you 2K front and rear. And this one has traditionally been kind of the sweet spot for giving you good video quality front and rear, but on a budget too. Now that said, the price of the A229 Pro has actually dropped to the lowest price that I've seen yet, and this one's going to upgrade you here to 4K for the front cam instead of 2K, and this is the camera that actually ran as my primary cam for quite a while, so if you're looking for something on a budget, definitely consider this one here too. Similarly, if you want an interior cam, the 3-channel version is also on sale for the lowest price that I've seen yet. Now, if you'd like even better video quality, there's the A229 Ultra, which is basically the same thing as the Pro, except the rear cam now actually gets bumped up to 4K instead of 2K for better video quality in the rear as well. And both the 2-channel and the 3-channel version here that adds the interior cabin cam are on sale for the first time ever. Now, as for my personal dash cam of choice, that's going to be the Viofo A329S, which is going to add a bunch of extra additional useful features. It's going to record at 4K here in the front and 2K in the rear. And then if you get it with the optional 3-channel version to get that interior cabin cam, it's going to add another 2K interior cam. And the pricing that you see here on the website actually matches their all-time low price here for the dash cam. And then we've also got things like the Viofo A329T if you want it with that front-facing telephoto cam to help you capture license plates. You can also pick up the different hardwire cables to get the parking recording, different micro SD cards. There's not actually a ton of good deals this year on the micro SD cards, but you can pick those up. And speaking of parking recording, Viofo's new battery pack just launched, so you can pick that up on their website now as well. And you can use their $10 off code, Black Friday 2025, to save $10 off the price of the battery. And the same thing here if you want to pick up the expansion as well. Next, moving on to Vueroid, this I think is another really solid pick and a good all-around contender for being the best dash cam. Their new S1 4K Infinite is available here on sale and it meets or exceeds the lowest prices that we've seen to date. Plus, with their different dash cams, you can pick up a free micro SD card, and the more channels you get here for the dash cam, the larger of a micro SD card you get. And in my car, I've been running the 3-channel configuration that gives you a 4K cam up front, a 2K cam in the rear, and then a 1080p cabin camera. And to get the free micro SD card, they've got some information here on how to claim it. Basically, you're going to want to order the dash cam, and then you're also going to want to go and find the appropriate micro SD card. For the 3-channel dash cam, you get the 512 gig card for free, and so you're going to want to add this to cart as well when you're purchasing it with the 3-channel dash cam. And again, on my website, I go over which dash cams are available with different memory cards. Then scrolling down, let's continue here with Vantrue. They've also got some pretty good video quality, and they offer an optional LTE module if you want to get some good cloud connectivity. Now starting off, we've got the Vantrue E1 Pro here. And this is a really compact 4K Starvis 2 dash cam, though it does run kind of hot, so be aware of that, especially if you're going to be running it in a hotter environment. But if you're wanting an inexpensive dash cam with really good 4K video and optional cloud connectivity, here's a good option for that. Then for multi-channel dash cams, we've got the N4S, which is going to be giving you 3 different 2K Starvis 2 sensors for front, rear, and interior. Or if you want to go for 4K up front, there's going to be the N4 Pro S, which does 4K in the front, 2K in the rear, and 1080p here for the interior. Ooh, looks like I've got a little typo there. I need to make that 1080p. All right, there we go. Got that fixed. And speaking of updates, as new deals go live and old ones expire and stuff, I'll be keeping this page here updated over time as we continue on here through Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Anyways, as far as the N4 Pro S here, this is a dash cam that's really popular with rideshare drivers. And because the interior cam, as you can see right here, it's actually integrated into the same body as the front cam, it makes the installation a little bit easier here. And if you want cloud connectivity here, they do offer an LTE module, which they just actually updated to improve stability, and that one's available here. Not on sale, but you can pick it up here with the dash cam. Additionally, if you want a 4K dash cam with Starvis 2 sensors, their new S1 Pro Max is available, and this one is cheaper than the Viofo A229 Ultra. And then for you motorcycle riders, their F1 dash cam, it's got 4K in the front, 1080p in the rear, and a waterproof housing to keep it protected when you're riding around on your bike. That one's available here on sale for Black Friday too. Now, speaking of cloud connectivity, let's move on next to Blackvue. Now, their new Elite 9, which is now available for pre-order, is actually on sale here for Black Friday too. Now, this dashcam is just launching now here. It's not even available yet. I've seen one at SEMA. I haven't had a chance to test it yet, but I'm actually really excited about the dashcam here and the improvements compared to the previous DR970X series line, which is going to be discontinued. Now, for the cloud connectivity, you can pick up their optional LTE module that plugs into the side of the dash cam, pop in a SIM card, and now you've got cloud features. Additionally, you can also pair it with Blackvue's optional battery pack, though unfortunately it's not available on sale here for Black Friday. Next, moving on to Thinkware, they also offer cloud connectivity, but one of their big appealing features is their low power parking recording, specifically when paired with their radar transmitters built into the dash cams, both front and rear, to give you kind of buffered parking recording in addition to the low power long-term parking recording. Now, the dashcam just launched. However, you can now pick it up here on sale for $30 off here for the 2-channel version with both front and rear Starvis 2 sensors. And personally, this is the version that I would go for to get the HDR for better video quality, and because you have the option to add an interior cabin cam to it if you want to make it a 3-channel setup, or you can instead plug in the external LTE module to give you the cloud connectivity here for the dashcam. Now, if you don't need those newer features, you can still pick up the original U3000 here, and that one's going to be on sale here for both the front-only version and the 2-channel version front and rear. Then moving on next here, let's take a look at 70mi. So they've got their Omni dashcam, and this is available here as a 2-channel dashcam where the front 4K Starvis 2 cam can actually spin around and rotate to record in different directions, which is kind of cool. But I think my favorite dashcam from them is going to be the T800. This is a 3-channel dashcam that does 4K Starvis 2 in both the front and the rear, and it adds an interior 1080p cam. Now, this one has had some issues initially with file corruption and stuff, though there was a firmware update released about a week ago or so that should address this. Additionally, the video quality seems to be lagging a little bit behind the Viofo and the Vueroids when it comes to license plate capture and stuff. However, at the price point here, for more than $100 off, this is going to be a pretty appealing dashcam to get a lot of those features and whatnot at a more affordable price point. Additionally, if you'd like some cloud connectivity, their LTE hardwire cable is available here on sale, and the price here is better than what we've seen previously for the Prime Big Deals Day sale. Then moving on to some Dashcam accessories, when it comes to memory cards, again, there's not a lot of good pricing here, especially on some of the larger memory cards, but we do have some discounts here on the 256s and the 512s, as well as a couple different battery packs. We've got the 70mi one here if you don't need Bluetooth, and you can pick it up here and have it connect to your cigarette lighter for easier installation, or you can get the hardwire version here for $1 less that actually gives you faster charging and a cleaner install, though it does take a little bit more work to get it installed. This price point, though, at a little over $200 is a great price point here for a battery. Additionally, if you want Bluetooth to connect to your phone, there's the new Viofo battery that just launched, and it, like the other battery packs, can be used with basically any brand of dashcam. But this one is available here on sale too. You're going to want to use this coupon code here, Black Friday 2025, to get $10 off. And the price here that I see on this one is cheaper than what I see from like the Blackvue, the Thinkware batteries, the Black Box My Car ones, etc. Then lastly, as far as some other miscellaneous deals that I think are pretty great that aren't necessarily countermeasure related, you can just kind of run through here to see if there's anything that catches your eye. We've got some different phones that are available. We've got some headphones, as well as Apple devices, again, different headphones, watches, iPads. Some of the pricing here on the MacBook Airs and the Mac Minis are actually really good. So if you need an inexpensive computer, these prices here are actually really nice. Same thing here with AirTags to track your luggage or other devices. Coming back from SEMA, one of my bags actually went missing, so this was kind of nice to help track it. And then same thing here, we've got more headphones, we've got some jumpstart batteries for your car in case your battery dies, or a battery tender to keep it topped off in the garage if you don't drive it a lot. And then at the very end here, I've got links to like all the different Black Friday deals that you can check out, more than just what we talk about, again, with countermeasures. And then at the very, very bottom, I've got the link here to my price tracker spreadsheet. This is that spreadsheet that I mentioned before where I'm keeping track of all the different pricing as well as historical pricing to really help us get a sense on whether or not the different prices that we're seeing here are actually good or not. And so if you want to see more of that stuff, check out this spreadsheet that I'll link below underneath the like button as well. Additionally, this main page where I've been linking to a lot of my favorite deals, this of course will be linked down below as well. And so with that said, thanks so much for watching. I'll be keeping everything updated here as we get into Black Friday. In case anything here continues to change, this is where I'm going to be keeping track of everything. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you in the next one.